Oh my god. Welcome back to my channel. If that's not relatable, I don't know what is. Today I'm talking about how I'm emo now. Just kidding. I'm making a hair mask. Because I've dyed my hair an unreasonable amount over the past 2 or 3 months. And it needs a little nurturing. Because I'm getting it professionally dyed on Saturday, which is something I don't usually do. I usually just use splat kits from Walmart to dye my own hair. But I'm paying big money to get it actually done. Silver or white and like a royal purple. So anyway, what I was saying was I'm gonna make a hair mask, and I'm not gonna use a recipe because I don't have one and I don't want to look one up. But I've seen like things on Instagram that tell me what's good for my hair and what's not. So I'm just gonna put some stuff into a blender and then put it in my hair. I'm gonna go make the mask now. And you're gonna come with. Isn't that wild? Oh hey, didn't see you there. I was just getting ingredients for my hair mask. Okay, so I made the first part of my video over 5 hours ago. Sorry about it. Now it's 10:30 at night and I'm speaking a little quieter, and I'm not gonna use a blender because I told my mom I'd go to sleep. It's past my bedtime on a school night. Milk, egg yolk, a little bit of mayonnaise, and an avocado. Let's get this party started.
Chug, 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 wussy, wuss, chug, chug, chug.
I'm gonna start by cracking the eggs. That I did it wrong with expertise. Disgusting. I am so disgusted. I hate mayonnaise. Wow, I would eat that, but I'm not gonna. Now that looks delicious. Just kidding, it looks like baby vomit. It looks like baby food.
Gotta do the cooking by the book.
This is Fitzgerald. Anyway, enough about him. This is about me. Clickbait. I hate it. I hate it so much. If anyone's ever played with my hair, this is what you're playing with. Just kidding, I'm clean. Okay. And then I'm gonna shower. This is the result. There is no difference. Okay. Thanks for watching. Comment what videos I should do next. Okay. Bye, gamers.